John from San Antonio has a question about asbestos drywall.
It's in his 1966 ranch. John writes, lab results say it's 20% chrysolite asbestos. And my plan is to remove all the ceiling drywall, taking out the fiberglass insulation with it, and start over with a new ceiling and new insulation. So John wants your suggestions, Tom, what to do.
Back in the 60s, all the texture had asbestos in it, and people are living in the homes just fine today. As long as it's painted and taken care of and it's not airborne, it's more dangerous to try to pull it all out than it is to leave it where it is.
He's planning on doing.
Right. So if you do pull it all out, then you're going to go to an asbestos abatement, which sounds horrible, but it really isn't. It's a matter of vacuuming and cleaning really well after you get all the debris out of there, because it's going to go airborne, and it's really common in homes built in the 60s. So most people just ignore it, especially the popcorn stuff that you used to see. That all has a little bit of asbestos in it. But as far as the problem with asbestos was in the shipyards and stuff, when it was just flying all over the place, and these people working with it 24 hours a day, however they worked, they were not protected. They did not wear masks. Nobody knew about it. It's not a bad product if it's controlled. Like any of the products they pull off the market all the time, it's because it wasn't controlled. And so I would say leave it and give it a good paint job if it was me. I've had houses with that stuff in it.
Would you use asbestos today?
It's still made today, and it's still used in products, not in the United States.
Right.
But asbestos siding, asbestos in Hardy, years and years ago, before it came to America, they had asbestos in it. It's a great product, but we just misused it. It's like the termite control chlorine and all these other products where people just misuse it, and then they finally say we have to take it off the market. But it's still being made today in Canada, asbestos siding.
Wow.
So, yeah. It's fine.
Maybe that's why they're so polite.
Are they? I don't know. I lived up there. They're not polite when they drive.
Well,
sorry.
Whether you're polite or not, send us your questions. We'll help you out with your home improvement projects. Get you from to-do to done by filling out the Ask Tom form at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it just like these videos over here. Look at those. You could have one just like it.